question, we're going to have a look at converting between displacement, velocity and acceleration. What I used to always draw on exams were just this diagram here, displacement, velocity, acceleration, and whenever you go to the right, you're differentiating. So to go from displacement to velocity, you differentiate, and when you go the opposite direction, you integrate. So let's go on to using that. In part A of the question, what we notice is it's given us displacement and we want the velocity. So to get velocity from displacement, you differentiate displacement. So the velocity is what you get when you differentiate all of this. So differentiating t cubed is 3t squared, minus 15t squared. When you differentiate that's minus 30t. I'm rushing through this a little bit, so if you'd like me to make a video on how to differentiate, just let me know. So that's the equation for velocity, and the initial velocity is when t equals 0. We substitute that into the velocity equation, and we get v equals 0 take away 0 plus 62. So it's just 62 meters per second. Perfect. Let's move on to part B of this question. I might as well use the same color because it's not taking up too much space. Find the value of t when p has 0 acceleration. So now we first need to find an equation for acceleration. Step number 1. Because we've already found the equation for velocity, we can differentiate that again to get the equation for acceleration. So differentiating this whole equation, the differential of 3t squared is 6t. The differential of minus 30t is just minus 30. And it tells us to find the value of t for which it has 0 acceleration. So we make this equation of acceleration equal to 0 and solve this equation for t. You add 30 to both sides, so 6t is equal to 30. Divide both sides by 6 and you get t equals 5 seconds. Perfect. Yeah, that's everything for this question. Be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe. I'll post a new video every single day. I've linked my email in the description too if you have any tutoring inquiries.